ARL radiant sail panels are radiant panels that utilize natural convection within the space to achieve higher cooling capacities than standard radiant panels. There are two methods for installing ARL radiant panels. First, via threaded rod to structure. The second method is independently suspending via aircraft cables and one-way gripple fasteners. After installing your threaded rod drops, insert them through the pre-drilled holes in the L angle at each end of your ARL panel. After 4 rods and leveling, your ARL threaded rod panel installation is complete. Installation via the cable method requires 4 plumb aircraft cables with gripple fasteners. After pre-threading the gripples, insert the cable's tail through the pre-drilled holes in your L angle. After 4 cables and leveling, your ARL cable hung panel installation is complete.